Blister packaging is a type of pre-formed plastic packaging. It consists of a transparent plastic cavity sealed to a backing made of paperboard, aluminum, or plastic. It's widely used in the pharmaceutical, food, and consumer goods industries. The two main components are the blister, a transparent, thermoformed plastic cavity, and the backing material, which provides protection and branding space. The process begins with heating a plastic sheet, molding it into a cavity to hold the product, and finally sealing it with the backing. This airtight seal ensures the product stays safe from moisture, contamination, and tampering. Why is it so popular? Let's count the benefits. Product protection shields against external factors like moisture, UV light, and contamination. Convenience makes dosing, identification, and handling easier. Cost efficiency, lightweight and reduces transportation costs. Tamper evidence, a clear indicator if the package has been opened. You'll find blister packaging everywhere, from tablets and capsules in pharmacies to batteries, tools, and even snacks in retail stores. Blister packaging, protecting what matters with precision and care.